You know, when we look at grasses, we tend to be thinking of ones that grow in sunny conditions. But you know, there are some that tolerate shade too. Take, for example, these two very nice varieties that are here on this wagon this morning. First of all, the one on the right with this beautiful golden foliage is Carex elata Aurea, or sometimes known as Bowles golden grass. It's called that because E.A. Bowles, Edward Augustus Bowles, very famous English gardener, found this on a fen in England. He was out hunting, looking for plants. He always had an eye for unusual things and found this beautiful golden variety. And look at it, just beautiful, particularly in the earlier part of the year. And because it's shade tolerant, it's a very useful plant to put into shady spots, into woodland gardens and so on. Has this bright golden foliage with a green edge to the leaves, and then of course, because it's a sedge, has these carex type flowers on them, which is okay, but it's really grown for its bright golden foliage. Remarkable grass, very easy to grow. Because it's a sedge, it will put up with moisture at its roots and therefore is extremely useful for giving a brightness to a shady area and also putting up with lower light conditions. This is Carex elata Aurea.